Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to set up your Facebook profile to get Facebook followers. Let's follow me step by steps. This is my Facebook profile. There is no showing followers. Open your Facebook setting. Then we need to find privacy setting. This is it. In here, keep this setting as public. You can see your future post as public. You can see the people, pages you follow as public. This makes increase your followers. In privacy setting, other options not necessary. Now go back to setting and find public post. Make sure to change all options to public. Okay, then we can check now on the Facebook profile. You can see here followers now. Sometimes followers not showing here. You can change it here using Edit Public Details. Click Edit on Details option. You can see here your followers. Simple enable it. Then you can see followers in your profile. There is no followers mean you do not have one least follower. Ask a friend to follow you. If you have more questions you can read my blog. Find the link from description. Or comment me. Is it work or not? This is the tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't.